Welcome to the step-by-step interactive guide to digital tools for artists. Ever thought about how to make your artistic talents shine in the digital world? Or perhaps you've wondered how to turn your art into a steady stream of income online. As artists, it's crucial to understand the digital landscape, not only to showcase your work, but also to engage with your audience and generate revenue. Our first module, Introduction to Digital Creativity, will give you a clear understanding of various digital tools, their importance in today's creative landscape, and discuss how they can benefit artists and creatives like you. Next, we dive into the world of TikTok in Module 2, Creating Content for TikTok. You'll understand the platform, its audience, and the secret to creating content that resonates. We'll share tips on using music, effects and trends, and even provide hands-on exercises for you to practice. In Module 3, Starting a YouTube Channel, we'll demystify YouTube's algorithms and audience engagement. We'll guide you through planning content ideas and formats, and how to optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags for better searchability. Module 4, Designing with Canva, introduces you to Canva and its features, helping you create eye-catching graphics for your social media, YouTube thumbnails, and channel art. In the 5th module, Posting Regular Content on Visual Social Media, we'll explore platforms like Instagram and Pinterest. You'll learn how to develop a content calendar, maintain consistency, engage with followers, and utilize analytics to improve your performance. Setting up a WordPress website and blogging, the 6th module, covers the basics of domain registration and hosting, installing WordPress, creating compelling blog content, and improving your website visibility through SEO fundamentals. In Module 7, Creating Logos on Fiverr, will introduce you to Fiverr's marketplace. You'll learn how to create professional logos, set up a seller profile, manage orders, and deliver top-notch work. Module 8, Utilizing Loom for Screen Recording, walks you through using Loom for recording tutorials, presentations, and demos, and how to integrate Loom into other digital platforms. Our 9th module, Dealing with Cyberbullying, will equip you with strategies to handle negative comments and harassment. It will also teach you how to maintain your mental health in the digital space. Finally, the 10th module, AI for Content, will introduce you to AI tools like ChatGPT, AI Video, and AI Draw in Canva, and how to use these for content creation. As we wrap up each module, we'll set tasks for you to apply what you've learned, and we'll host feedback sessions where you can share your work. By the end of the course, you'll have a complete online presence, and customers will be able to book you or buy your work online. Remember, the journey toward digital creativity is meant to be enjoyed, so embrace the process and feel accomplished at the end. This course is your stepping stone to digital success, and we can't wait to see where it takes you.